This is not science fiction. In 2017, the US Navy tested 103 micro-drones, all flying in perfect formation. 3 years later, at China's Zhuhai Air Show, 200 drones launched from a single truck in less than 5 minutes. And today, in Ukraine, both sides are experimenting with swarms of cheap kamikaze drones. This isn't the future of war. This is war, right now. But what exactly is a drone swarm? A swarm is not just a group of UAVs in the sky. It is a network, an organism powered by artificial intelligence. Each drone communicates with the others, shares sensor data instantly, and adapts to the battlefield without waiting for human commands. If one drone is destroyed, the rest instantly reconfigure. It's the difference between a flock of birds and a squadron of pilots. One is limited by human reaction time. The other is nearly unstoppable. The evolution has been rapid. The US test in California with 103 Perdix drones was the first public proof of concept. China scaled up faster. Truck-mounted swarm launchers, helicopter-deployed swarms, even sea-based demonstrations. Russia, Turkey, Israel, and Iran have all entered the race. In fact, Iran's Shahed drones used in Ukraine are cheap precursors of a true swarm strategy, overwhelming defenses through numbers. So how does it work? Unlike traditional drones, swarms don't rely on a single controller. They use mesh networking, each drone acting as both a sensor and a communicator. If one loses contact, the network reroutes automatically. Algorithms inspired by insects and birds allow the swarm to adapt in real time. One group might jam enemy radars. Another may dive into tanks. Others act as decoys, pulling defenses away. This division of labor is what makes swarms terrifying. They don't just attack, they strategize. And the weapons of tomorrow go far beyond reconnaissance. We now see kamikaze swarms that dive into armored vehicles, electronic warfare drones that blind air defense radars, and even AI-powered hunters, fast, agile drones that can chase aircraft mid-flight. The US is developing aircraft that can launch swarms mid-air, like the Gremlins project. China is experimenting with truck-sized launchers firing hundreds at once. The question is no longer if swarms will dominate battlefields, but when. But here's the problem. How do you stop thousands of autonomous attackers? Traditional defenses can't keep up. A single Patriot missile costs up to $4 million. A kamikaze drone can cost less than $20,000. Fire enough drones and even the most advanced defense system collapses under the cost. That is why militaries are racing toward new defenses. High-energy lasers that can shoot down swarms at a few dollars per shot. Microwave weapons that can fry the electronics of an entire wave of drones in seconds. And, perhaps most interesting, counter-swarms. AI-driven drones launched to intercept enemy swarms, turning the battlefield into a dogfight of algorithms. Now, imagine the future battlefield. In the Pacific, a conflict erupts. Instead of sending fighter jets, one nation unleashes 5,000 AI drones. They flood the skies, overwhelm radar systems, blind warships, and cripple air bases, all in under 15 minutes. No human pilot could react this fast. This scenario is not fantasy. It is the exact scenario being simulated today by think tanks like RAND and defense planners worldwide. Or picture Europe. The NATO deploys a swarm of drones against Russian S-400 air defenses. Within minutes, radars are blinded, launchers destroyed, and aircraft cleared to enter. For the first time in history, a swarm, not a squadron, controls the skies. The truth is clear. Drone swarms are the most cost-effective, scalable,
and disruptive military technology of the 21st century. They may end the age of traditional air power, where jets and pilots dominated. In the near future, the deciding factor will not be who has the most aircraft, but who has the smartest algorithms. So here's the question we all need to ask. Will AI-powered drone swarms shorten wars by making victory faster? Or will they make wars far more destructive, unstoppable, and beyond human control? Only time will tell. What do you think? Could drone swarms replace human pilots forever? Let us know in the comments. And don't forget to subscribe for more deep dives into the future of military technology.